cow that at Eastern Cape teacher. A cow that attacked a teacher in Qumbu in the Eastern Cape will be sent for tests as soon as the Eastern Cape government can convince its owner to allow it to do so. The cow gored an inseam and arbor and bit her leg while she was crossing grazing land on 21 December. She passed away in hospital, the Department of Rural Development and Agrarian Reform announced this week. Rural Development and Agrarian Reform Economic Zana Meth and Eastern Cape Premier Oscar Mabayan sent their condolences to Meth and Arbo's family. The department said Meth was committed to having a study conducted into the behavior of the cow. The department will also vaccinate all animals in Dumi village against rabies. Rabies suspected. DRDAR spokesperson Xolani said veterinary scientists from the department suspected that the cow had rabies. The MEC is aware that the community may live in fear of another person befalling animal biting. The MEC, therefore, commits the department to do everything possible to avert the situation from reoccurring, Lungeser said. Lungeser added that a team of veterinary officials was sent to assess the animal and they found that it did not exhibit any clinical symptoms of rabies. He said the cow and its calf were isolated at the owner's homestead for daily monitoring and assessment. The owner reneged on the agreement. Subsequent to a meeting between the cow's owner, traditional leaders in the village, and the department's veterinary services officials, it was agreed that the cow should be euthanized. Lungeser said the owner later reneged on the agreement. The department is trying to persuade the owner to release the animal to it so that it can be taken to the Don Research Institute in Stutterheim for further examination by the team of veterinary and livestock scientists. Mabayan discouraged residents from making jokes about the incident. A family has lost a loved one here, so we appeal to the public to stop making jokes about this incident.
Yeah.